Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channels. In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you on how to change team name on Fantasy Premier League. Okay, so the first thing that you'll need to do is to open your web browser and then type out Fantasy Premier League or Premier League. Okay, this one, and then just scroll down until you see this link. So just click on it and then log into your account. Okay, so now just click on the fantasy and then click on fantasy. Okay, now you'll then just have to click on the pick theme and then scroll down all the way to the bottom until you can see this team details under the admin, and then you'll be able to see here your team name. So just copy this one and then click on delete and then change it. So I'll change this to Wooba team and then click on update details. Okay, so as you can see, my team name has been changed. Okay, so that's it. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials in the future. Bye bye.